What's up, everybody? So right now I'm getting ready to go pick up the R32 GTR. Like I told you in the last video, I got a built transmission from PAR in Australia, and this built transmission is a built 5-speed straight cut gears, all that fun stuff. We can go into details later, anyways, got it for the car because, you know, obviously we're making some decent power, you know, a little bit over 600 wheel horsepower, and it has room for a lot more actually, but I wanted to make sure that I have the right parts in there on the drivetrain so I don't break the drivetrain. And part of breaking the drivetrain could be the transmission. It could be other stuff too. But right now I upgraded the trans because that is a weak link on these R32 GTRs. They're really not great as far as a 5-speed after a certain amount of power. I don't know the exact number. Some people say 600, 550, 650, 700, whatever. I don't want to take a chance. So because the car is making decent power, because I'm going to run it hard, I'm going to take it to the drag strip, I'm going to do all that stuff. I decided, you know what, let me get a built trans for the car, and I got that. Ordered it a while ago and finally got it. But now it's in the car. Now it's time to go pick it up, and we'll see how this thing feels, how at least my first take on it, and then we'll do some more testing at another date. Really kind of push it and see how I like it. But hopefully I feel a little bit of a difference. Hopefully it, you know, shifts even better, and big hopes is that it's a lot stronger. So my stock trans is still in good shape. We'll probably end up throwing it on eBay eventually or something like that, selling it. If anybody who's watching this needs a stock 5-speed trans for a R32 GTR, let me know. Just hit me up in the comments or something like that, and we'll figure it out. But that's what I'm about to do. So let's head right now to the shop so we can go pick this thing up. So far, so good. Just got the car back. It feels nice and good. I can't beat on it or anything like that because I guess we got to break in the new trans, but so far so good. I mean, I just drove to the E85 station, and the thing, you can definitely hear the gearbox now. Straight cut gears with syncro mesh. I didn't do the dog box because, you know, I daily this thing, but yeah, it sounds good. Let's see if you can kind of hear it on this video. All right, let's see. You can hear the box just a little bit. Nice cool sound, but it's not like too loud or anything like that. It's a nice cool little, you know, straight cut gearbox sound, but nothing too wild. So I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I will be doing definitely a lot more reviewing on this when I have a moment, but I wanted y'all to kind of hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on this video over the exhaust, but hopefully you can. This thing sounds good. Exhaust sounds good too, as always. Let me lower that window. Oh yeah, you hear that? Yeah. So far, so good. It's the car's, it's been acting right. It's been acting good. So drove it about 140, 150 something kilometers already. I don't know what that actually, how much is that in miles? Like 90 miles or so this evening, driving back and forth through a lot of different places. But it's working. Trans works fine, feels good. You know, just so far, I mean, obviously I haven't been beating on it, trying to get it broken in and all that stuff. So just kind of, you know, taking it chill on it. But so far, you know, on my shifts, it's not bad at all. You know, first, second, all that stuff. It's a little interesting going from second to third though. On the stock trans, my normal motion of going, basically, you know, I go like this from second to third. I don't know why, just that's how I do it. A lot of people do it that way. When I do that on my normal way, it doesn't shift very easy going second to third. It's almost like third isn't where I'm used to it being at. It's like a little bit more to the right. So I gotta just change my mindset on how I do it so that I can get it in third so it'll just hit something and stop. So it's just gonna take some getting used to. Completely different transmission, built transmission from PAR. You know, first through fourth, straight cut gears, synchro mesh. I'm tired right now. It's like super late. But anyways, it's been fun so far. Car's been acting good. You can actually, you know, I want to do some more review on this trans, why I got it, all that stuff, do some testing and all that, get some of it on video for you so that you can all, you know, take a look at it and hear it and all that stuff and see how it performs. But I did get a few clips while on the road just so you can kind of hear what it sounds like inside the car. I know a lot of people say straight cut gears and all that stuff are super loud and super annoying. Yeah, it's definitely louder than stock, that's for sure. But it's not at a point where it's like super annoying to me, unless you're the type of person who just needs a completely quiet car. I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to race cars. Like, I don't know. But I'll let you listen to it right here. I don't know what you think about it, but I think it sounds cool, and it's tolerable to me. It's not bad, you know, it's whatever. I mean, it comes with it, you know, you're gonna hear it. But yeah, so far so good. R32 GTR is back in my hands. I did not get the bumper fixed yet. I was supposed to get it fixed, but it was taking a little bit too long because they were super busy and stacked up. So I was like, hey, let me get my bumper back so I can keep driving the car for a bit, and then when y'all are ready, I'll bring it back. So I'll bring it back to the shop to get that this little thing fixed. There it is, right there. Yep. So I'll get that fixed. That's been on there since I bought the car. Oh yeah. And I got a new grill coming in too. So right now I have an ugly nothing there, but I will be getting something new pretty soon, and I'll show y'all when we get it. So anyways, fun times with the R32 GTR. We're making some more videos coming up soon. We'll be drag racing it too at the track. Hopefully get some really good times with it. Looking forward to that. I'll catch y'all later. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and keep on tuning in each week. Each week I'm trying to bring you some type of fun, informative video about the car or other people's cars and stuff like that. So hopefully continue to grow the channel, share with your friends, have them subscribe, like, comment, leave comments, thoughts, opinions, whatever, all that stuff. It helps. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll get some more of this beauty later. And also let me know, y'all, in the comments if y'all want me to also post more about my drift car, because I drive that a lot. So I know I'm bringing you a lot of content on this, but that thing gets driven hard at the drift track. We got a lot of tires here to prove it.